Now 6:07. So tomorrow marks the beginning of May, and it's a time to celebrate Asian Pacific American Heritage Month.
Yeah, Discovery Children's Museum is celebrating all month long with some really cool performances and activities for kids. We have Hector Mejia live downtown with a preview. Hey, Hector.
Let's get right to it. Discovery Children's Museum here with a lot of hands-on activities for the children. And joining us live, we have Sam Nelson with the museum. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So what do we have here?
So we have lots of different crafts celebrating Asian Pacific American Heritage Month.
Which places are we highlighting for the entire month?
So for the month of May, we'll be doing 5 different countries: China, Japan, Thailand, Hawaii, and Samoa.
Samoa. And tell us about the performances. You know, Las Vegas being considered the 9th island, Hawaii being highlighted here, and we also have some performances.
Definitely. So this is Gary and Sheldine, members of the Discovery family, performing.
All right, so let's listen in for just a little bit. So that is just one of several performances on the schedule. What's first, though? Is it Samoa?
Samoa is first up this Saturday. We'll be doing a workshop, an artist workshop this Saturday.
All right, well, we're going to end again with beautiful music going on right now, this beautiful performance. For now, reporting live, Hector Mejia, 8 News Now. Back to you guys.
Hector, thank you very much. The music sounds great. And yes, by the way, we're aware Hawaii is not a country, for the record. We know it's a state, just
yes.
FYI.
In our country.
Yeah.